welcome back again. So I'm getting started with this shadow here called Latin Lover. I'm just going to be placing it and blending this out and then going in with Affection, applying that in the middle, and then I'm just going to be blending those two colors together. So once I'm done with the crease, I'm going to be going in with Affection again. I'm going to be adding this on the outer corner of my eyes. Then I'm taking the shade Baby Face and I'm going to be adding this to the inner corner of my eye where I put the concealer, and then I'm also going to be adding this on my brow bone. Now I'm using this shade here called Sentiment. It's such a pretty color. I'm just going to be adding it with my finger and blending. So I'm taking the NYX glitter glue and this pink glitter from J-Cat and applying it on the crease line. I'm adding that shadow Affection to the bottom of my eyes and going in with a nude lip liner, followed with a nude lipstick from Maybelline, and then this other one from L'Oreal, and it's such a pretty pinky frosty lipstick. I went ahead and finished the rest of my makeup and my hair, and this is the finished look, guys. I'll be seeing you guys on the next one.